Title: The 2024 Indian Scout Bobber, Raw Power and Timeless Style for Novice Riders. In the dynamic world of motorcycles, the 2024 Indian Scout Bobber stands out as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending raw power, distinctive design, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those entering the world of riding, the Scout Bobber exemplifies Indian motorcycles' commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of beginner-friendly attributes and the thrill of a classic cruiser. In 2024, the Scout Bobber continues to capture the imagination of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, rebellious spirit, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Stripped-down Bobber aesthetics. The Indian Scout Bobber boasts stripped-down Bobber aesthetics that exude a raw and rebellious charm. With its chopped fenders, solo seat, and minimalist design, the Scout Bobber stands as a testament to the essence of classic cruising. Indian motorcycles' meticulous attention to design ensures that the Scout Bobber not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also makes a bold statement with its distinctive and unapologetically rebellious appearance. 2. Potent V-twin engine for thrilling performance. At the heart of the Scout Bobber lies a potent 1,133 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering a perfect balance of accessible power and heart-pounding performance. Indian Motorcycles' engine design emphasizes a torque-rich experience, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the visceral thrill of cruiser riding. The Scout Bobber's engine provides ample power for urban cruising, highway journeys, and the distinctive rumble that defines the cruiser experience. 3. Low-slung ergonomics for relaxed cruising. Crafted for relaxed cruising, the Indian Scout Bobber features a low-slung and ergonomic design. The bike offers a comfortable and laid-back riding position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Indian Motorcycles' commitment to rider comfort makes the Scout Bobber not only a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily cruising and leisurely rides through city streets. 4. Minimalist approach for easy handling. Designed with a minimalist approach, the Scout Bobber features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its responsive and agile handling. The bike's compact dimensions and low center of gravity make it easy for beginners to navigate city streets and enjoy the freedom of cruising. The Scout Bobber's minimalist design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and embrace the raw, unfiltered joy of cruiser riding. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Scout Bobber seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. ABS, a digital instrument cluster, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Scout Bobber's classic cruiser character. Indian Motorcycle ensures that the Scout Bobber remains technologically advanced, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Indian Scout Bobber stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its stripped-down Bobber aesthetics, potent V-twin engine, low-slung ergonomics, minimalist approach, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, cruising through city streets with style, or experiencing the raw power of cruiser riding, the Scout Bobber encapsulates the spirit of Indian Motorcycles' dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level cruiser excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, rebellious spirit, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling, the 2024 Indian Scout Bobber rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the